guys, Laura Berg here from My Smart Hands. Now that spring is here, spring cleaning is front of mind. And that means opening up my windows, rolling up my sleeves, and giving my house a deep clean. I want to thank Sponge Towels for sponsoring and collaborating with us on this video. And I have to say, we were lucky enough to have Sponge Towel come and join us during the shoot. So I hope you enjoy my top 3 spring cleaning tips. During spring cleaning in past years, I would set my kids up with a fun craft while I did the cleaning. And I always made sure that I had sponge towels on hand because my son would wipe his dirty hands on his shirt and it would drive me crazy. I don't know about you, but I have a love-hate relationship with spring cleaning. I love the results, I just hate the cleaning. So this year, I decided that my kids are old enough that they could help me because I would much rather be sitting and doing a fun craft with them. So I think that the incentive for them to help me is they get to spend time with mom doing a fun craft. I have my kids clean out the fridge together. I'm not sure if this is a good idea or not, but I like to foster a cooperative relationship between the two of them. They don't always get along, but by putting them in a teamwork situation, I find it helps their brother-sister bond. Plus, let's be honest, I'm not a fan of cleaning out the fridge. The easiest way to clean out the fridge is to first take everything out of it. I like to use water and vinegar to clean the shelves. You take 1 part vinegar to 3 parts warm water. I use an old spray bottle and spray the homemade cleaner on the shelves. Then I let it sit for a few minutes. While it sits, you can use the same homemade cleaner and sponge towels to wipe down the contents of the fridge. This is also a good time to check expiry dates and throw out anything that may have gone bad. Once you finish cleaning the contents of the fridge, you can then take sponge towels and wipe down the shelves. I love having sponge towel around to help make sure the kids are doing a good job. Finally, it's time to put everything back in the clean fridge. Freeze loves organizing, so she really enjoys this part of the job. So the kids did a great job cleaning out the fridge. I'm really proud of them. And I have to say, I was really impressed at the teamwork. So my next thing is cleaning out that microwave. When I clean out my microwave, I put half a lemon in a bowl of water and then pop it into the microwave for 3 minutes on high. It's gonna steam and loosen up all that dirt in there. And I absolutely love the smell of fresh lemons. Then take some sponge towels and give the inside a really good clean. Most of the grime will wipe right off. If you have a few hard spots to get off, dip the sponge towels in your lemon water and give it a good scrub. Those tough spots should come off easily. And last but not least, I'm gonna tackle the oven. When cleaning my oven, I like to use baking soda and water. I like to avoid harsh chemicals if possible, especially in the place where I cook my food. Stir up the water and baking soda into a paste. It'll kind of be like the consistency of pancake mix. Then take your mixture and spread it all over the oven and leave it to sit for a while. The baking soda is gonna dry a little bit and work its magic in there. Once it's had time to set, I take a spray bottle with straight vinegar, no water added to it, and spray it on the baking soda. I like to get my kids involved in this part because it's like a science experiment. When you spray the vinegar on the baking soda, it will start to bubble and fizz. My son is really fascinated by it. He loves seeing all the bubbles form and says it looks like pop bubbles. The sound of the fizz is also really cool. It sounds like a hiss. This is definitely a great way to get kids into cleaning. After we've had a bit of time to fully enjoy the science experiment, it's time to clean up the mess. Sponge towels' super absorbent pockets makes cleaning the oven a breeze. I take sponge towels and wipe up the vinegar and baking soda, and I'm left with a nice clean oven. Now that the spring cleaning is done, I get to go and do a fun craft with my kids. All right, come on, Hardy. My kids love making slime. We have a big bottle of glue in the house at all times. But one tip I'm gonna give you is if you're using food coloring to color the slime, make sure to put sponge towels under the bottles. Trust me, I've made the mistake before of not having sponge towels under them and they've left a tough stain on my counter. Now instead of adding color to your slime, try adding glow-in-the-dark paint or powder for some fun glow-in-the-dark slime. I love spending quality time with my kids. I'm so glad I got them to help me do the spring cleaning this year. That gave us more time to have fun making a messy craft together. Well guys, thanks for watching our spring cleaning tips. And a big thank you to Sponge Towels for helping make the jobs a little bit easier. And an even bigger thank you to Sponge Towel for coming over and helping us out. Now for more spring cleaning tips, articles, and hacks, be sure to check out the HDTV Canada website. I'll leave a link in the description box below. And if you have any other cleaning tips that you'd like to share with us, please share them in the comment section. For now, thanks for watching guys, and happy spring cleaning!